Hi, Ziggy back again from Streamline. I'm very excited to show you this black Renault Trafic Sport we have available. It's the LL30. Absolutely stunning. To my knowledge, this is the only one available for sale in the country at the moment. As a lot of you are aware, vans are extremely hard to get hold of, and we're fortunate to have this in stock ready to go. So with it being the Sport, you get the really nice options. So the alloy wheels, color-coded bumpers, xenon lights. It's just got that nicer stance to it. One of my favourite things about the Renault Trafic, especially the Sport, is how they finish the interior on this new version. All the steering wheel controls, air conditioning, Apple and Android CarPlay, flat top steering wheel, leather steering wheel as well. So as I said, this is fully fitted, ready to go. You've got the Line-X flooring, you've got the Bravo 650 full RO system, twin operator, IPR5 stainless steel pole racks, internal LED lighting on toggle switches. You've got the load restraint kit down the sides, external bumper ports, and you've got the full poly kit as opposed to plywood going through the van as well. On the side door, you've got access to your controllers and your TDS meter. Your pumps and your strainers are on the side here, and you've got additional storage bolted to the tank, your split charge system and twin leisure batteries underneath the racking. I have checked and there is just enough room to get a gutter vacuum and a pressure washer in there, no problem at all. I just drove this van about 30 miles to this location, and it does hurt me to say, but I do prefer the drive to the Transit Custom. It's just absolutely beautiful. If you have any questions or you'd like more information, just give us a call on 01626 830 830 or email sales@streamline.systems. Thanks for watching.